to make slime, fluffy slime. So the ingredients are bowls, spoons or mixing tools, some glue. You can get any glue, but you can use clear, but I don't think clear works with shaving cream, so yeah. And we're using the PVA glue.
And you need a shaving cream, shaving foam.
It has to be the foam kind, by the way. You need Paraseal and like your activator. We're using Paraseal, and it needs to be Power Gel. And food coloring. We chose yellow, right? Yeah, we chose yellow. So first thing we're gonna do is pour our glue. No, you take it off. Yeah. So the reason why I didn't get Elmer's glue, it's because it's like really hard to find. So, or like the place that we got our glue.
So we are gonna pour that.
Pour the glue. By the way, this is 500 milliliter. So.
To put some shaving cream, so we're supposed to shake it. Oh my god.
So we do not know if this is gonna work because we did it once, but it did not work. So maybe it's gonna.
Yeah, because now.
I'm just gonna pour a little.
So the third step is you need to mix it.
So my spoon, or you need basically just a mixing tool. It does not have to be a spoon.
So I need So when you mix the shaving cream,
Hold on, I'll show you guys mine.
you can't put more, but
I'm gonna put a little bit more because I want it fluffier.
make it in front. No, don't make it.
No, you're supposed to make it like
No! See, I said to you.
but I don't do it like that. See?
See, I said to you.
I don't do this.
Okay, the shaving cream is making.
It's like gonna drip in the slime.
So I put yellow.
What do we do? It's gonna drip in the slime.
Oh my god. It's okay. It's a food coloring, so.
It's gonna fall. The spoon's gonna fall. I have an idea.
I'm not gonna make it that much yellow, so just want to make it. You know what I mean?
I need something to hold my spoon. Okay, I'm just gonna put it. I don't care if it gets messy. So I'm gonna put the food coloring now. She added the food coloring. I'm not gonna add too much. Oh.
Just add it. Give me, I want to make it more.
Okay. That's. I think that's too.
Oh my god.
Oh, Lulu, you added a lot this time. It's so good. It looks like a cake mix, like a lemon cake mix or banana cake. I never tasted a banana cake. Did I? I don't know.
So put a little bit by little. Like that.
Yeah, little by little. Always remember, not all at once. So, yeah. Oh, a bit clumpy.
I think mine is more. I have no idea why.
I think that it's not gonna work because I tried this way once. It didn't work with me, so it's not gonna work. If it doesn't work, that means we should have put Paraseal before the shaving cream because we're not using borax. There is borax in our city, but somewhere really far, and you can't drive that far. So. Sir told me. Oh yeah, mine is slime. Mine is beginning to get slimy. Woo!
Me too.
Oh, I was gonna drop the glue, but there's nothing in it. Plus the lid is on.
So just mix.
I think we need to add a little bit.
Just not that much.
Okay, here we go. Okay, we're mixing and mixing. Ow, that hurt. I just should have put my hair in a ponytail. Ah, it's getting clumpy and clumpy.
Yeah, I can see.
So this is my slime, Sada slime. You can see it's so stretchy. And
So this is my slime.
don't forget to subscribe
Like.
and turn on the notification bell.
Bye.
Bye.